Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming a current backup. Use iCloud or Finder so you can restore if needed. Next, open Settings and go straight to General, then Device Management. You remove the iOS beta profile there because that tells Apple to stop sending betas. Once done, restart your device to clear temporary beta flags. Make sure to keep the backup safe. Restoring is possible if the next steps require a clean install or you change your mind. Once you remove the profile and reboot, check Software Update. If a public release exists, install it. This is the simplest path because it preserves settings. If the public release is not available, prepare an IPSWA from Apple and connect to Finder or iTunes to perform a restore. This replaces system software cleanly. If Finder/iTunes cannot complete the restore due to errors, use DFU mode as a last resort. DFU ensures a full reinstall but erases everything. You finish by signing back into your Apple ID, restoring your backup, and checking that automatic updates no longer show developer betas. If you hit an activation loop or errors, try another Wi-Fi network, connect to Finder or iTunes on a computer for activation, or contact Apple support for account-side fixes. Make sure the beta profile is gone. Double-check device management, because if it returns, your device may keep receiving pre-release updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.